Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna cook a fried chicken fillet. Okay, I have the chicken. I just wash it. I slice it really thin. And I need to prepare the salt and pepper, 1 egg, garlic, and flour, breadcrumbs, and magic sarap. You can buy this in the Philippines. I bought this, or you can buy in the Filipino store here in the US. Okay, let's get started. First, I will put the salt in the chicken, just a little bit, and then I put it right here in the flour, and then a pepper, if you like hotter you can put hot, or you can put a chili powder too. And I put here in my flour. And then I have the garlic. I'll put here in the chicken. And then I put some a little bit in the flour, so that the chicken smells good. And then I have the magic syrup. Just a little bit. I put the eggs here in the flour. I have to mix the chicken with the garlic and pepper and salt. We need to put soy sauce a little bit and vinegar. Use the Pomperian white vinegar, just a little bit. And then the soy sauce. And mix it all. Vinegar and garlic and soy sauce. So just leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, or sometimes just a few minutes if you're in a hurry to cook it. Okay, number 5, medium. Turn it up to 10. Put a little bit of salt, just a little bit. I need to put the chicken here. First, okay, after I mix here, I need to put the breadcrumbs. I think the pan is ready. The pan is ready. There you go. Okay, I need to flip it over. Looks delicious. And crunchy looking. And we're also cooking goulash. We already boiled, softened the pasta. Our goulash needs to prepare garlic and onion. Then we're cooking the ground beef. And our goulash is there. It's already boiled pasta. And this is the meatballs and ground beef with onion.
Put in the pasta.
Put in the pasta. Here's our sauce with meatballs, tomato sauce, ground shredded cheese, onion, garlic, and ground beef. And you just put that in there. And it's called goulash.